is she? Oh, there she is. Hey, Alex.
Hey, Dre. I haven't seen you forever.
I know. You must have been really busy since you're a senior and all.
Yeah, I've been busy with the senior show and everything.
Yeah, I heard about that. How's that going?
It's just organizing it. It's just crazy, but
Aren't you directing it?
yes.
That's my girl.
But I mean, besides that, home's not too good either.
Really? Home life?
Yeah.
Why not?
Well, my dad and my stepmom keep getting into it. It's getting like really stressful. And I don't know. They're threatening to kick me out if I don't, have a plan after high school.
Really?
Yeah. Even though I'm going to college.
I'm sorry. What about your real mom?
I don't know. I haven't talked to her in a long time. But besides all that, I mean, it's been really hard to like tell people this, but like I'm gay, and
Really?
yeah, and I know this is an art school, but still,
It's hard, huh?
yeah. I mean, they bully people and stuff a lot of times for that. So,
I got something to tell you too.
oh my God, what?
I'm also gay.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Well, I'm bisexual.
What about you and Macy?
We're not together anymore.
What? Why?
I broke up with her.
You broke up with her? What happened?
Do you remember Eddie?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. The guy.
With him?
Long story. We talked towards the beginning of the year and we became friends again. Actually, he's bisexual too.
Really?
Yeah. And I even helped him get with Brianna.
Yeah.
She's, the junior Brianna.
Yeah.
And then one day, Eddie and I went over to his house and we were just talking, and then he told me that he liked me, and then I went over his house later on and he apologized for pushing me down last year, and he said he wanted to make it up to me, and then he leaned into me and we kissed.
Wait. The guy who pushed you last year because you were gay kissed you?
Yeah. I know, it's weird. And then I felt really bad, and I told Macy, and I was starting to get torn between the two, and it wouldn't have been fair to stay with Macy, so I just broke up with her. Now I feel really bad. And I just don't know what to do anymore.
I'm sorry. You can call me whenever you want.
Yeah. I've got one more year after this, and then I'll be out of here, but up until that point, it's gonna be really hard. I miss Eric a lot too.
Yeah. What happened to him? Everybody keeps telling me different things, and I haven't seen him since, he left.
Yeah.
After, summer came.
Yeah. Apparently, he moved to Japan.
What?
Yeah.
He just up and moved to Japan without telling anybody?
Exactly.
And he didn't even tell you? That's crazy.
And then later on, I got a text and I FaceTimed him, and it was him. I didn't even know who it was at first, and
so he just texted you from a random number?
Yeah. And then I searched his FaceTime name, and it was him, and then we talked, and we had a good talk.
Well, that's weird.
Yeah.
Did he say why he left?
Well, apparently it was just a last minute thing, the military just told his dad that they had like a week to move and they just left.
Is he coming back?
I have no idea. I really hope so.
It's crazy. I don't even know what to say.
But hey,
Okay.
at least you're a senior and you can leave in like a month.
Well, I'll come back.
Really?
Yeah.
I hope
visit
so.
you.
I hope so, because I need my best friend here.
I know. You can come in my dorm room. Maybe I can sneak you in there.
Really?
Yes.
That'd be awesome. But I really hope things get better at home. Like, I can't even imagine what's going on.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, are you even out the closet with anybody besides me?
My family doesn't really believe about that stuff. They're really religious.
Me too. I told a couple close friends. My mom doesn't know. My dad, I don't even know where my dad is at since they got separated. And my mom's been struggling trying to, provide for both of us. And I haven't told my mom, and only a few people here know.
Well, I'm here for you.
Thanks.
What are you doing tonight?
Nothing.
Wanna come see a movie with me?
Sure.
Alright.
Is your dad gonna let you?
He knows about it.
You're gonna go now?
Yeah.
What time does it start?
I don't know, but we gotta get ready.
Okay, hold on, let me call my mom. Hola, mamá. Hey, quiero ir al cine con Alex. Yeah, we're just gonna go get ready right now and then head over. Okay, thanks. Bye. She said I could go. Yes. Alright, come on.